See, this is our spruce tree stuff.
Oh yeah, that's dry. There we go. Here comes the smoke. It has many functions: keeping animals away, cooking food, keeping you warm. But it was also, in some ways, a form of communication.
Yeah, I still actually use this to contact my boss when I'm not going to be in. I'll smoke signal, 3 puffs. I'm not coming to work.
I'm at the casino.
Yeah, 4 puffs. I'll see you on Monday. I'm not gonna see that, you know? Especially if I'm lost and there's helicopters and stuff flying all over. They're not gonna see me, so I always need to keep these beside me.
Goodness, you must have hands like gloves.
And like I said, if you don't have a knife, these just break off. So if I wanted to get this really smoking and get the chopper's attention.
Do chopper pilots know to look for this?
Yeah, most of them do. Last time we did this, chopper actually came over. We were over around that side.
Will this work in a large urban environment like Calgary?
No. Fire department will probably come and you'll probably get a fine.
But if
It'll
you're
work.
in trouble and looking for help?
Just walk to the nearest 7-Eleven or Circle K.